Welcome back to another episode of Motogp Mac, and today we're going to talk about the whole Michelin tyre debacle that was in Mandalika. And you know, it was really bugging me because there was so many rumours out there of what was going on, what was happening, what was the change, you know, were they old tyres, were they just stored in an old container or whatever. So I actually found a report where Pooch was giving out about Michelin, saying that, you know, they rolled back the tyres and it screwed Honda, and kind of did, I suppose. He's not lying in the way that, you know, they were fastest at the test, but the change of tyres really did affect them. Now, it affected everyone. It was a plus for Yamaha, but it affected everyone else. And you know, when I think his name is Piero Tramasio or something like that, was saying about the tyres, you know, he's like, look, the reason that the tyres were changed, or the carcass of the tyre was changed, was due to the heat of the track. At 60 degrees Celsius, the tyres would have melted, tyres would have exploded, there would have been serious rider concerns, and 100% fully agree with, you know, that needs to be done. Now, this wasn't the teams arrived on the track on the Thursday and found out the tyres were different. No, in fact, Piero goes on to say that he met, or he sent communication a week after the Mandalika test to say this was the carcass of the tyre that they were moving to deal with the heat in that track. Now, none of the team technical directors had any issues, so you know, they knew what was coming, they knew the tyre was going to be different, and look, safety was paramount. He then said that the only possible technical solution was that the carcass of the tyre had already been used in 2017 and 2018 type tyres. So with that, begged the question, were those tyres stored in an old container somewhere or what? And that's not the case. The tyres had the 2017-2018 carcass, but the compounds of the tyres were the current year's compounds. By making the change in the carcass of the tyre, they were able to lower the temperature of the rear tyres by 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, and that's what they needed. So that's where the change made. So it wasn't that it was an old set of tyres that had been in stock for 4 or 5 years or whatever. They were brand new, spanky new tyres on it. Now, it did give them less performance, but it did give them more safety. I think Pooch was trying to blame Marquez's crash on the tyres, and Piero relates to this in the article, and he's like, I've looked at the data from Marquez's crash and the tyres were not at fault. So, you know, I think, you know, it's one of the things that definitely happened to go. People and the technical directors were notified. You know, Michelin engineered the tyres to last the 27 laps that the race was supposed to be. It was a technical challenge for everyone because, okay, while they were out there already on the tyres, you know, they had to reset up their suspension, the electronics and everything to suit these new tyres. So it was a more of an engineering exercise for them. You know, asked if they're going to run that tyre again, for Thailand and Austria. They have another tyre with a different carcass, but this carcass is created to reduce the temperature by 7 or 8 degrees, and that's the reason that they didn't bring that to Mandalika to use. All in all, for me, I suppose it puts an awful lot of stuff to bed, because I thought, you know, well, sorry, I didn't find out till about the change of tyres until I think the Wednesday before the race. And I was kind of thinking, Joe, that's a really short notice, but there was a process there. You know, they didn't have, it wasn't that they were blindsided by it. They didn't know the tyre, but I guess it was kind of like what team could react best to the whole tyre situation. And obviously, look, we found out, you know, For Yamaha, they found, so it's definitely clear that they're overheating their rear tyre, which is what's putting them off the pace as well. So, but look, definitely something really interesting. Pooch was giving out, and he, in my view, got firmly slapped back into place by Michelin. You know, it's always that famous saying, you know, don't give out to a waiter in a restaurant before he brings you your food. And I think it's the exact same thing, that mistake that Pooch has just made. But anyway, I would love to know your thoughts. I'll wrap it up for today, and I'll see you again in tomorrow's video. I just want to take a minute to also thank you for watching my videos and the support that you've shown so far. If you haven't subscribed already and you would like to subscribe, it would mean an awful lot to me if you did. I'm starting this channel realistically so that we can all enjoy MotoGP together, with the aim of streaming a live video when the GP races are on.